I heard about this young man. He was a huge football fan. He bought 2 tickets to the Super Bowl months ahead of time, not realizing that it was actually going to be on the day of his wedding. He paid $2,000 each for the tickets, so he put an advertisement out on Facebook to see if anybody'd want to go in his place. He said it'll be at 3 o'clock at the First Baptist Church, and her name is Tiffany. You're welcome. Hey guys, you gonna run around for a bit? Come on out. Come on out. Probably find some worms. It's a wet day. Okay, I want to show you guys something cool we have here on the chicken coop now. So this here is an automatic door made by Chicozy. We got it online, and what's super cool about this is just it's an automatic door. So we have it set to come on in the morning and close at night. So right with the day light itself, it's light sensitive. So it comes on for day, closes at night. You can set it for like any time you want to open and close, but just doing the day and night, these chickens are always in there by that time. And then in the morning, if we don't get out here in time, like say we're at the off-grid property and we stayed the night and we're working there or whatever, this will still open up so they can get out into their run. So it's actually pretty cool. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in something like that. It really helped us out, and then you can go check it out for yourself. And then like you can just close it yourself too. Okay, and you can just open it yourself. Pretty neat little rig, so they can come and go as they please. If we're not here, in the main door we have right here to the right of me is closed. It's perfect. Anyways, yeah, there's a link below if you want to go check it out from Chicozy. They have other stuff too, but we were thinking of getting a heater for this for the winter. So they actually have one of those too, so we'll see, but we may grab one of those too for the upcoming winter. If we do, we'll show that to you too. Let you know how it works. It gets pretty cold around here in the winter, so. Well, I see an egg on the ground. These 2 are laying. I'll leave you be for now. All of our wonderful eggs. I think we need to make a quiche. Use up some. There's more in the fridge too. Okay, so it's really raining today, so I'm going to get a fence set up around here before I start planting, because there's a lot of deer that come through here, so I don't want them eating it. So I'm going to get like a fence set up around and then go from there, see if this rain dies down and I can get some stuff in the ground, or if I have to hold off till tomorrow. But rain's a good thing because there's been a lot of forest fires around here, so we really needed it, so it's still a good thing. Okay, so the rain's actually picking up more, but I got the posts in. You notice I put 5 in, and then right here, that one is where it's going to be the entry. Leaving it wide enough I can get a wheelbarrow in or whatever too. So we're going to wrap around and then that'll be like a door. Alright, so I went through this pole in here and just this old dog leash on here, and there's a door. Okay, so I do have a few things on me right now. You know, some beans, tomatoes, different things. I'm going to just throw in here for now. It's starting to rain even harder, so I'm just going to get them set in here. I'm not going to plant them yet, but at least they'll not be in my garage anymore. So I'm going to just set them out here and deal with it hopefully tomorrow. We got some other stuff we're going to get in the ground too, but just going to, yeah, like I said, set this stuff out here for now and get inside. Okay, keeping with the gardening thing, I actually did grow some hops last year because I really wanted to try making my own beer. So let me show you something else that I've been up to. And then we'll get back at this when the weather's better. I got a bunch of manure to put in there and different things to mix around. Okay, I'm out in the garage. Let me show you what I got going on here. I'm making a beer. So it's called a smash beer. So that means use four ingredients, basically water, hops, which I grew the hops. There's a video up here about the hops, and barley malt, and I guess yeast. So I'll just show you what I got going on here, and we'll just see how I've never done it this way before, so this is the first, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm using it. This is basically what we use to boil our syrup and everything. So it's just in here. Not going to leave it open because it's at what's called the mash process. So at that process, we got 9 pounds of barley malt in there, like just grain. Crushed it up with a rolling pin and then just put it in there. So that's in there. And I got an ounce of Cascade hops so far. And then at 30 minutes, I'm going to put more in. And 15, a little more. I think a half ounce at 30 minutes, another half ounce at, you'll see, or you'll, like I'll tell you or something. So pretty cool. It's, you know, kind of a fun project to give a try. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck.
You really gotta suck it.
And they're not doing that?
I don't know. See if it'll go.
Doesn't look like it,
No.
I think it's going.
Sometimes takes a second. What are you doing?
Okay, so we got, that's like the hops at the bottom of this. And we get a bunch of this in here. We're gonna actually add a bit more water to this before we put the yeast in. All right, so now I have the yeast in it. It's in here, and I just have it like back in the box so it's out of the light. I'd added another gallon and a half of water maybe, to something like that. So 7 to 10 days, gonna see how this turns out. Then we're gonna ferment it again. All right, so I'm super excited to see how that beer is gonna turn out. Just right from scratch too, right with the grain. The hops grew here, and you know, water and yeast, like just ingredients, nothing other than that. So right from scratch anyway. So it's gonna be a smash IPA. That means an Indian Pale Ale. So gonna be cool. Anybody who's into that kind of stuff should enjoy doing it, and you may enjoy just laughing at my way I'm trying it. So they say by doing it this way, like just having one hop and one barley malt is the best way to try to make one happen right from scratch, and then you can go from there. So anyways, trying that till I can master that down to being decent. We'll go from there. So wish me luck. I'm pretty excited about it. That's going to sit for 7 to 10 days. Then I'm going to put it into another carboy with some more hops. I have a little bit of hops left. And then it's going to sit there for another week or so. And then it'll be good to drink, bottle it from there. So we'll see how it goes. So it may be good, may be terrible. So it's not like the kits back in the day. I've had different friends who used to buy the kits and make them and stuff like that. And some of them weren't the greatest at drinking with tomato juice and stuff, but I had one guy that was all right at it, but never that great. So, but craft beer has come a long way recently. We'll see. I find it interesting. We're going to see how it goes. Other than that, I'm going to get back to that garden hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully it's not raining as much, at least, like little breaks. Lots of rain. We've had a lot of forest fires around here, so the rain is definitely a good thing. So we'll see. But if I get out there and work that garden, get everything in the ground, that'd be perfect too. Anyways, we've got a lot of projects going on. Obviously building our new off-grid home. That's you know, a process in itself, but at the same time, we're living at the farmhouse, right? And we're homesteading this area. So our chickens are here, getting the garden rolling here, growing more hops, just lots of stuff going on that way. So we're also been remodeling this place. Some of it's been shared on another channel, so which you can see those videos if you're interested. But we're gonna start just implementing a little bit into this channel because it's just a lot easier to share it all this way. So we'll show you here soon. We got another bathroom going down. It was already roughed in the basement. Anyways, look out for that. That's coming up soon. We're gonna get that sorted out. Just trying to make it all work out. You know, lots of stuff going on. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We'll see you in the next one.